Now let's go with the new topic, that is fundamental principle of counting. Now before explaining you, I will just go with an example and then with the definition. Now a very simple example, suppose you went to a shop just to buy a trouser and a shirt. So you are just asking a shopkeeper that just show me different colors for trousers or a shirts. Now the shopkeeper says that we are having only 3 colors of trousers, that is black, white and grey color, and then he shows you 10 different types of shirts. Now when you are looking towards the shopkeeper, towards the things which he has placed on the counter, you are saying only these things, only this one, nothing more. So if you basically go in the depth, then what he has shown to you? He has shown to you one black trouser and 10 different color of shirts. It means what are the possibilities for the selection part? With one pen 10 shirts, it means he has shown you 10 different arrangements. And when we are having 3 trousers, then it means 30 different arrangements are there. So we are not going for that 30, we are just looking 3 trousers and few shirts. Is it clear? So this is called, this is fundamental counting of, fundamental principle of counting. Okay. So I will be giving you one more example, but let's go with the definition first. Now definition. Now starting with definition in the mathematical form, if one operation, here operation means selection of, okay, if one operation can be performed in m ways and if corresponding to each of the m ways of performing this operation, there are n ways, of performing a second operation then the number of ways of performing two operations is together given by m cross n ways. So this is the definition for the fundamental principle of counting. Now let's move an example. Now suppose you went to buy a new car, okay, you want a new car, okay. Now for a new car, what we are having, suppose we are having two types of body style. Now what are the two types of body styles? Say Number 1 is sedan and number 2 is hatchback. Okay, you went to purchase a car, you saw that there are only two body styles, one is sedan and one is hatchback, and then three types of models. Now what are the models? Suppose BM base model, then SM, let it be sports model, let be LM luxury model. Suppose, now then how many possibilities are there to select a car? Now possibilities of selection. Now what are the possibilities? Now suppose we are having sedan and hatchback. Now for sedan we are having three different models, for hatchback we are having three different models: base model, sports model, luxury model. Base model, sports model, luxury model. Okay, now arrangements, what it are? Now suppose S stands for sedan and base model, then sedan, sports model, sedans, luxury model, then hatchback, base model, hatchback, sports model, hatchback, luxury model. So total are how many? Total of these are, we are having, that are 6. Okay, so what we here wrote it here in the definition part, we have just gone through that. Body style, that is M, which is equal to 2. Models, that is N, which is equal to 3. Now M cross N is equal to what? 2 cross 3, this is 6. Is it clear? So this is what? This is by the fundamental principle of counting. We can get directly with some techniques to the useful result.